Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Trezor login problems, firmware and connection errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login problems with your Trezor device, follow these steps to resolve firmware and connection errors. First, ensure that your Trezor device is charged. Connect your Trezor to your computer using a compatible USB cable. Check your USB cable for any damage, as a faulty cable can cause connection issues. Next, open the Trezor wallet website in your web browser. Ensure that you are using a supported browser, such as Chrome or Firefox, for optimal compatibility. If you see an error message, try refreshing the browser page. If the issue persists, disconnect the Trezor device and reconnect it after a few seconds. After reconnecting, look for any firmware updates available for your Trezor. To check for updates, click on the setting icon within the Trezor wallet interface. Follow the prompts to update your firmware if an update is available. If you encounter difficulties during the update process, try using a different USB port on your computer. For further troubleshooting, clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any stored data that could interfere with the login process. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and attempt to log in again. Ensure that your antivirus or firewall settings are not blocking the connection to the Trezor wallet. If you have another computer available, try logging in from a different device to determine if the issue is specific to your current setup. If these steps do not resolve the problem, consider resetting your Trezor device. Please note that a reset will erase all data, so ensure you have your recovery seed available. Once you have your recovery seed, follow the instructions on the Trezor website to reset your device and regain access. If you continue to face issues, reach out to Trezor support for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the errors you are encountering for the best possible help. Following these steps should help resolve most login problems with your Trezor device related to firmware and connection errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.